Hello and welcome to Fred Excel. Today we'll be looking at how to freeze panes in Excel. So provided you have the data of this caliber, where we've gathered a number of respondents from a project we're running across the region in a space of say 1 year, and we're trying to make a decision based on the feedback we got. Now looking at our data, we could see that they are quite a number across columns and across rows as well. Here, instead of having to scroll across the worksheet, a smart way you can really go about navigating your way within the data is to freeze panes. On the View tab, at the Windows group here, you click on your Freeze Panes icon. You have a drop-down of options to select. You could either freeze the first column or the top row, or select a cell to freeze that particular intersection. By clicking on the Freeze First Column option here, we end up freezing the first column on our worksheet, as you can see indicated here. To unfreeze panes, click on the Unfreeze Panes icon here to unfreeze the panes. We can also do same for the top row, where we click on the Freeze Top Row option to freeze the top row. Let's unfreeze our panes now. Another way to go around this is to use the custom option where you get to select your preferred cell. Over here, let's select cell D5 and click on the Freeze Panes ribbon to select the Freeze Panes option here to freeze this particular intersection. With this, you realize that all the columns before the selected cell and rows above the cell will be frozen. You can now effortlessly go ahead to compare and contrast the column or row against the other and extract all your required details for your work. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like and comment across all our social media platforms.